Okay, last couple thoughts. Ultimately, what you're dealing with are socially responsible, socially networked, creative individuals who value open communication, want opportunities for growth, and are inspired by challenging work. And I think one sort of thing that really brings all this together in my mind, I just found this actually last night. There was an organization started at Stanford Law School. How many people have heard of the Building a Better Legal Profession? So a couple of you. This is, I think, launched fall of last year, where they are very vocal about what it's like to work at these firms and whether the work-life balance is intact and whether diversity is really what firms say it is. And so they're sort of calling the firm's bluff on a lot of this stuff, and they're doing their own research to pull this information together and aggregate it under a site that allow law students to go get the real story. They've got a website, they've got a blog, and they have over 1,000 members on Facebook. That's who this group is. They are socially networked. They're looking for opportunities. They want to change the game. They're challenging the billable hour on this blog. There's articles about how they think that it's inefficient and ineffective to do that. They said one of the analogies he used, right or wrong, was it's like getting in a taxi cab and taking the long way around to the destination versus making 20 trips directly there. So not the right analogy in every single case, but they're raising their voice on these particular topics, and they're going to have a big influence on, I think, the direction of the firms as they become lawyers and influential lawyers. So ultimately, when you looking at engaging recruits, we'll give you a couple of sort of the highlights here. But one thing you want to do is pick out what truly differentiates your firm. Not every firm is the same. Find out what is a strength of your firm. Talk to your recruits, talk to the new associates, figure out what they liked about it and what they currently like about it, and make sure you highlight that. Provide real and useful information. Put the current recruits, put those other associates on the site, make their voice part of that conversation. That's going to resonate with the people you're connecting with. Engage your first years. Create alternative mediums to share information. Video, web pages, podcasts. All those things are compelling and engaging for this audience. Create a plan that pulls all this together. You don't want to just sort of do things in silos. You want to sort of think about it holistically so that it all feels like it's working towards the same ends. Repurpose your interesting marketing content. So if you've got blogs and other content that's out there today, make it a part of your site. Think about Adelshaw's corporate social responsibilities site. Make that a part of that career site or the career section of your website. And ultimately, look for ways to show the firm's personality. Do things that differentiate you in the minds of the recruits so that they don't go to the website and hear blah, 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 blah. Okay, that's all.